And we are live from fucking the Crown Vic, where I just made an amazing discovery. So, after tearing apart the steering wheel, to replace the shift lock solenoid, this is the old one right here, this wasn't the issue. You want to know what was? So, if we go underneath right here, you'll see this little fucktard right here. This is to that shift interlock device where you take the key out and have the car running. This went bad. And when it went bad, it made it so the shift lock solenoid would not work at all. The shift interrupter fucked me. So I just did all this work just to find out. I could have just reached under here, unplugged it, replugged it. So if you have one of these under your carpet right here, this little puck thing, look for these wires first and remove them. This would have saved me so much effort. Because that thing is evil. Taking off the airbag is a pain in the ass, for one. Taking off the steering wheel is a pain in the ass, for two. But, I did it with a hammer. By hammer, I mean a mini mallet. So yeah. It works now. I'm not going to show you guys till I'm actually done. But now I know that's the issue, because I just tested it by rehooking the battery, because I don't want this thing going off my face. But yeah, all this time. All this goddamn time. I'm venting right now, because that sucked. Just to find out, I could have done easier. I should have taken this off first. Ladies and gentlemen, if anything you take from this, if you have a problem shifting, take off the plastic covering first and look for this cantankerous bitch of a wire, which I'm going to remove now. I want to keep it as cool as the original device, but now that I know it's broken, fuck that thing. Alright, I'm going to finish this. Alright, we got power. Got my hand right here. I'm one hand holding the camera. Where's the key? Here it is. Okay, don't scare me, girl. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh. Yes. Oh, we have all the gears. Still working on that. Oh, but that's such good progress. I would yell about that thing, but that wasn't the issue. I'm definitely gonna cut this thing out later. I'm too tired now. It's past midnight, I think. No, 15 minutes to midnight. So I'm gonna go pack up my tools and call it a night.